that it's not that we are unsatisfied, but we are not very satisfied also, because we were expecting a sort of a resolution in the assembly to come, stating that the 371F is non-negotiable. Our confusion, the people's confusion, is regarding the clarity of this expansion and distortion of the definition of Sikkimis. In fact, if we go through the judgment, the verdict, it's very silent about the scope of expansion and distortion of the term of the Sikkimis term. So unless and until this term is restricted only for the income tax, the exemption of income tax, the entire old laws would be all laws would be affected, and it would be a violation of the Article 371F, which we don't want in any case. The Honorable Chief Minister said, and we are very thankful to him for this clarification at least, because this clarification has not come from any authority so far. But what we want is a resolution in the Sikkim Legislative Assembly, so that it is not violated by any other legislation or any other law or any other judgment in future.
And are you of the view that that resolution should reach the Indian Parliament as well in the future?
Exactly. We would request the state government to kindly pass a resolution and also submit it to the Indian Parliament.
Is there a deadline that you guys have?
No deadline as such, because we haven't even received the judgment so far. So it is my view only. I haven't met with my council member. So unless until we sit down together and come down to a consensus, I think it would be premature for me to tell you anything.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.